Accounts about Bar3 as a new and effective workout has been circling around the metro. Kaya naman, binisita namin ang Bar3 dito sa The Spa to confirm and learn more about it. 有关于 Bar3 运动方式报告已经传遍整个马尼拉地区了，所以我们今天特别来参观一下，同时也想要更具体了解一下这个所谓有效的运动方式。
So in Manila, Bar3 started the year 2009, but it was conceptualized in the States, exactly in Oregon, Portland, Oregon, by Sadie Lincoln at around 2008. So actually, after 1 year, then we brought it to Manila. And it was her desire to really give a different format of exercise. That's why she came about, or she thought of creating Bar3. Bar3, we always boast about a complete workout kasi within 60 minutes, you work every body part already. Tapos tinuturo namin sa students na you are mindful of how you're moving your body. Imbis na just moving your arms without really controlling it, we teach them how to be in the correct posture before you execute a movement. There are no restrictions generally for people who want to try it. Kahit hindi ka nagsasayo, you can try it. Kahit hindi ka pa nakatry ng exercise, you can try it. Except for people who have medical conditions na kailangan talaga ng doctor's certificate para we are sure that she is safe to try it. Some people have like yung kaka-surgery lang and it's less than 6 months. We would ask her to get a medical certificate para we're sure that she's ready for the workout. Some people have like certain conditions sa spine. Anyone can actually do Bar3. Kaya lang kasi merong ballet part of it and some men are parang natatakot to try it because they think it's the ballet bar and it's ballet. It's actually just the bar that we use as a prop, but anyone can try it. And I mentioned kahit hindi ka nagsasayaw, kahit hindi ka pa naka-exercise kasi the main focus is to teach it like a beginner's mind. We teach you how to position your feet, your knees, all the joints of your body. So anyone, men, women, athletes, they get challenged too. Non-athletes get challenged too. One of the major things that we achieve in Bar3, when you do Bar3, is to develop long and lean muscles. When long and lean muscles, medyo nasa-stretch yung joints mo and you don't have much tension in the joints. That usually, diba, you have like tension in the neck. We alleviate that, and that's one part. The more tense your muscles are, it actually connects to the internal organs of your body. So you want to be really relaxed with all your joints, and that's what we want to achieve in Bar3. So that's one, the health benefit. Before you even try a class, make you have rested before, about the night before, if you're taking the morning class. If it's 2 hours before, at least you were well rested, and at least you ate a decent meal, and you want to bring your water bottle with you so you're hydrated. And the most important thing is to set your mind that Bar3 is time for yourselves, so make the most out of it and be prepared for the class. Please come and visit us. It's really like we always say in class, it's time for yourself. So if you feel like you're not putting too much time or giving time for yourself, come to Bar3. We're going to welcome you. I'm going to take care of you.
then at yung sensation niya, masarap siya. So, kahit nakakapagod, it's very relaxing. You know how after the class, yung nag-cool down na kayo, hindi mo talaga parang ang sarap-sarap kung bumalik. At kaya kung kayo, nag-board na sa usual cardio exercises nyo, din ako sa destroy na. And this class, sabi nga, is a good alternative for all those workouts that you've been doing. So, for all you health buffs out there, I know you would want to try this extraordinary exercise workout. So, come here to Bar 3. Oh, ayan na. For more amazing segments, don't change that channel. 不要转台哦，广告后马上回到我们正精彩的节目。Keep it here only on Chinoy TV 飞华电视台。
The Confucius Institute at the Ateneo de Manila University organized its first ever Chinese singing contest held at the Experience Center of the Makati campus last September 24, 2011. The competition was divided into two categories, solo and group. Songs from the hit Taiwanese show Meteor Garden and the boy band F4, such as Qing Fei De Yi, 你要的爱 and 绝不能失去你 filled the show by the contestants' lively renditions. The winner of the solo category, Father Nito Liama, won the hearts of everyone in the venue by singing his heartfelt version of F4 leader Jerry Yan's 我是真的很爱你 The rendition of the well-loved classic song by the late Teresa Teng, 月亮代表我的心 by Rica Flores, Tina Havelosa, Thea Ituring, and Bianca Juliano won them the group category. The panel of judges was composed of Mr. Wang Dongdong, Philippine correspondent of China Central Television, Jacqueline Villamora, and Jeannie Yap Tanlinco, producer of Evolve Productions. The said singing contest served as a memorable experience that will encourage students to learn and discover the Chinese language outside the classroom even more.